Hey there, welcome. Today we're starting off with a time-lapse of a construction project. Watch as we go from site preparation all the way to a fully completed home. Welcome to the Oceanfront Builders YouTube channel, your trusted source for home remodeling and construction advice. We are Oceanfront Builders, experts in transforming homes and creating dream spaces across Southern California. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone planning a home remodel, new construction, or major renovation construction timelines. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, building a new home, or adding an outdoor living space, understanding the timeline of your project is essential for setting realistic expectations and avoiding unnecessary stress. In this video, we'll break down the construction process step by step, explain how timelines can vary based on project type, and highlight key factors that can impact your schedule. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect and how to prepare for a smooth, efficient construction experience. Now let's take a look at our hardworking crews in action. From framing to finishing, every stage of the project is crucial. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why construction timelines are so important. A clear timeline helps you plan your daily life around the project, sets realistic expectations for completion, provides a roadmap for tracking progress, and minimizes the risk of miscommunication between you and your contractor. Understanding the timeline also prepares you for any potential delays, so you can handle them with less stress and more confidence. Every construction project is unique, but most follow a similar sequence of stages. Here's an overview of what you can expect. Stage 1, planning and design, which usually takes 1 to 3 months or more. This is where the foundation of your project is laid, figuratively speaking. It includes meeting with designers and architects to finalize plans, choosing materials, finishes, and fixtures, and securing permits and approvals from local authorities. Stage 2, pre-construction preparation, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Before any physical work begins, the contractor prepares the site and organizes the project. This involves ordering materials and scheduling subcontractors, clearing the site and setting up safety measures, and creating a detailed construction schedule. Stage 3, demolition and site preparation, taking about 1 to 2 weeks. For remodels, this stage involves removing old structures or materials. For new builds, it includes excavating and leveling the ground and installing temporary utilities if necessary. Stage 4, foundation and framing, which takes around 4 to 8 weeks. Once the site is ready, construction begins with pouring the foundation, erecting the structural frame of the building, and installing basic plumbing and electrical systems. Stage 5, rough-in work, usually lasting 4 to 6 weeks. This stage focuses on behind-the-scenes systems that make your home functional, such as plumbing, electrical wiring, and HVAC installation. Inspections are also conducted to ensure everything meets code. Stage 6, interior finishes, taking about 8 to 12 weeks. This is where your vision starts coming to life. It includes installing drywall, flooring, cabinetry, and fixtures, painting walls and ceilings, and finalizing tile work and other decorative elements. Stage 7, final touches and inspections, lasting 2 to 4 weeks. The final stage ensures that everything is perfect. It involves completing touch-ups and resolving any issues, conducting final inspections to secure occupancy permits, and cleaning the site and preparing for move-in. While the stages of construction are generally consistent, the actual timeline can vary based on several factors: project scope and complexity. For small projects like a bathroom remodel, it might take 4 to 6 weeks. Large projects, such as whole home renovations or custom builds, can take 6 to 12 months or more. Unique features like adding custom elements such as a wine cellar or smart home systems can extend the timeline. Permits and approvals. Local regulations in cities like Newport Beach or Malibu can mean securing permits takes weeks or even months due to strict building codes. Homes with historic designations may require additional reviews and approvals. Weather conditions, rain, extreme heat, or high winds can delay outdoor work, especially during site preparation or foundation pouring. Material availability. Delays in sourcing specific materials or fixtures can push back certain stages of the project. Working with a contractor who plans ahead can minimize this risk. Labor availability. Skilled labor shortages or scheduling conflicts with subcontractors can also impact timelines. Choosing a contractor with a reliable network can help avoid delays. While some factors are out of your control, there are steps you can take to keep your project on schedule. Communication is key. Regular check-ins. Schedule weekly updates with your contractor to stay informed. Clear expectations. Make decisions about materials, finishes, and changes early to avoid delays. Be flexible. Anticipate delays. Build extra time into your schedule for unforeseen challenges. Prioritize essentials. Focus on critical tasks to keep the project moving forward. Choose the right contractor. Work with an experienced, well-connected contractor who can handle scheduling, permits, and unforeseen issues efficiently. Understanding your construction timeline is the key to a successful project. While every project is unique, being informed about the process helps you set realistic expectations, stay prepared for potential challenges, and ensure a smooth experience. At Oceanfront Builders, we specialize in creating clear, detailed timelines for every project, from kitchen remodels to custom home builds. Our team works closely with you to keep your project on track and deliver exceptional results. If you're ready to start your next remodeling or construction project, visit us at oceanfront.builders or call 888-336-8586 to schedule a consultation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert remodeling tips and advice.